So this is how this area is looking, and I like it, but I'm not in love with it. The deer head is just too small, and I think there's just too much green going on for the theme that I want for this room. Again, this is the nostalgic tree, and I want the whole thing to be nostalgic, so we're gonna change this up a bit. All right, so I went downstairs and pulled out a few things to switch up this vignette. So I have the little bear and his drum that we had last year. I also have the nutcrackers that we had last year. So we're gonna try to play around and come up with a different look. I brought up the garland so we can start working on the fireplace. I'm not gonna do that today, but it'll be over the next couple of days, and then I will show you how to put that together. So let's work on this. All right, so I switched out the signs, and I think this works much better. So now we need to work on this area. All right, so I'm going to take away the trees. And poinsettias. And let's dust this off. So I'm gonna go back in with our cute little bear. Look how cute he is. So we'll put him here. And need to find a place for his drum. But for now, I'm gonna set it right there. Move this over so he is center with our signs. I'm liking that. We have nutcrackers here. One of them lost their piece of candy, so I'm just gonna take this one off too. And let's set our nutcrackers here. And maybe if we take this, like the footer, we might not be able to use the little drum. All right, so we have that. Already I am liking this a lot better. It's going more with our tree. And I think I'm going to put in these picks with the red poinsettias. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, I'm liking this a lot better. So we're going to have to put some red, I believe, as well on Santa, so that he also matches the theme a lot better. I think I want to put this back to kind of camouflage the stand. What else? Remember, these we used last year in my Grinch theme. So again, using what we have, but in a slightly different way. And I need another red poinsettia. We also have these and these candy canes. So let's see if we can use them as well. Yeah, I'm liking that a whole lot better. Then we have these lollipops. And do I have one more? Yeah, I like that a lot better. Okay, let's take a closer look. You can see it ties in a lot more with our tree. Love it. Guys, so this is how it looks now, and I like this vignette a lot better. Don't be afraid if you put something together and it's not working for you to change it. So just a few simple changes. Whoops, we lost our drum. I just have it sitting up here on his feet. Might need to use some tacky tape. All right, so we got his drum back on, but yeah, I love this look better. The little bear and the nutcrackers, the candy canes, peppermints, all tie in with the tree a lot better. Again, the theme is Christmas morning, so I think this works a lot better. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. So we'll just save those tree prints for our winter decorating. But I love these prints so much better. Love, love, love. I hope you love it as much as I do. So yeah, the theme of Christmas morning is coming together. We are going to be decorating the mantle, and over here with the Santa. So excited for that. He's so cute. But yeah, love this a lot better. I'm gonna find some red to add to Santa. We might change the color of his vest. I don't know. But yeah, love this a lot. All right, so it's a little later and you can see how much nicer this looks. I need to light this up. So this is not finished yet. We are gonna light this up. We're gonna do something with Santa to add a little red, and we're going to the Goodwill to get some inexpensive toys to complete our Christmas morning theme. But this is how it's looking. and I am in love. I hope you are as well. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this redecorate with me. Again, don't be afraid to change up something if you're not liking it. And as much as I like the green, it just was not complementing the tree. So Christmas morning theme, back on track, love it. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I have lots of Christmas decorating inspiration coming up on a budget that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one.